Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Tactical Solutions here with a super quick stock market update. I hope that you learned something new, and if you do, make sure you drop a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. What's one of the things that everyone is talking about? Tesla. Tesla reported earnings. We made sure that we talked about it here on the channel yesterday. Again, our job is not to predict the future. Our job is simply to prepare for it. Tesla missed revenue. They barely missed revenue, right? Their revenue expectation was still an amazing quarter, but they did miss revenue. They did beat earnings per share. One of the things that I want to recap, although Tesla is down 6.2% after market hours, right now Tesla is trading at $208 a share. I think, big picture, Tesla is undervalued. 100% my opinion. That being said, Tesla right now sits at a market cap at $695 billion. I'm going somewhere with this. Let me explain this real quick. During Tesla's earnings call, Elon said that he believes because of Optimus, which is the robot that they're building, he believes there is such high demand that people don't even know that they need just yet for this Optimus robot, that he believes it is what's going to take Tesla to the next level. He believes Tesla will be valued more than Apple and Saudi Aramco, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, combined. Which combined, as of right now, they're two of the most valuable companies that are publicly traded. It's right around $4.4 to $4.5 trillion. Not billion, $4.5 trillion. Again, two of the most valuable companies that are publicly traded. Right now, Tesla sits at $695 billion. That means that from where we're at right now, Elon believes that his company will be worth almost 7 times more than what it's currently valued at. It's $208 a share. So this would put Tesla right around $1,300 a share if his expectations are correct. I just thought that I would share that with you guys. Of course, that's not going to happen anytime soon. Obviously, for a lot of Elon bandwagon and or just the people that love and support. I mean, I have to admit, I am, a huge Elon fan. That's a steep, valuation, more than Apple and Saudi Aramco combined. I'm excited to follow up. Nonetheless, I still think Tesla's very undervalued. I'm very excited to tomorrow, right at market open, if we're still trading right around 208, and if it's not selling off too aggressively, I'm thinking of taking a swing at Tesla and maybe going in for a swing trading position, right? Market's still bearish, and one of the things that I wanted to test and see is, because of these earnings, are we going to rally just like we did previous quarterly earnings, or are we going to actually sell off? One of the things that I want to make sure that you guys are aware is I finally figured out when Snapchat reports earnings, and Snapchat reports earnings tomorrow after the market closes. We have American Airlines that reports earnings before market opens, and if I'm not mistaken, we also have AT&T reporting earnings before the market opens. So again, I just want to make sure that you guys are aware. Those are the main 3 that I'm going to be paying attention to tomorrow. If you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, we will be covering that within our live trading session, at least for the ones that have already reported earnings. A lot of you guys know that I personally really like to swing trade American Airlines. As of right now, I do not have a position. So if American Airlines reports earnings and it aggressively sells off, I could see it as a good dip buy opportunity. I did fairly well with SQQQ today, although SQQQ only moved 1% by the time that the market closed. There's a lot of volatility within the day, right, leading up to Tesla earnings. I made a little bit over $17,000 on SQQQ. I closed out my position, and then on TQQQ, made a little bit over $6,000. So altogether, right around $23,000, which is following up my green day yesterday, which was $24,000. For some of you guys that follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, I recently posted, I even posted it here on my YouTube channel. I posted something that I hope really motivates you guys. It showed the overall growth that I've experienced for the month of September. And I'm very grateful for it, right? During a very bearish market, a lot of people are losing a lot of money. For those that don't know how to short sell and or make money while a market is dropping, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to be in a position where we can leverage the capital that we have and short the market when direction is in our favor. And we've been doing that live every single day. Again, I don't recommend shorting for everyone, but if it's ever something that you've wanted to learn more about, feel free to send me a direct message via Instagram. That's that third link in the description. I am verified, and that is my only Instagram account. Or if you want to watch me trade live every morning, click the second link in the description, learn a little bit more about our Learn Plan Profit group, and see if it's a good fit for you. So I just wanted to recap my overall day, wanted to set proper expectations for what happened today and what's set to happen for tomorrow. And then the last thing is I want to make sure that you guys are aware of the series of economic reports that are set to be released. We have a total of 3 that are going to be released before the market opens, which is at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time or 5:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time or Pacific Standard Time. We have initial claims that's going to be released. We should see some form of shift in the market. And then the only other one, this will be caught within our live trading session, it's existing home sales. And then we should see that to be reported 30 minutes after the market opens. And then we have the EIA natural gas inventory report. So I don't trade natural gas anymore, so I don't really care too much about it. But again, big day tomorrow. We have Snapchat reporting earnings, American Airlines, and AT&T. I'm going to be making sure that we talk about that again within our live trading session. And if you want to join us, that's that second link down below. I appreciate you guys' time. I hope that I earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. I upload new videos every single day about the stock market, and I would love to be of value for you. If you have any questions, you guys know how to reach out to me. Reach out to me either via Instagram or feel free to send me a direct message via Discord, and that's going to be the first link in the description. I am using the Webull trading platform. You do not have to use it, but if you're looking for a free trading application that's available within the US that I personally trust, it's the 5th link in the description, and when you deposit $1, you will automatically earn 12 free stocks. Even if you end up selling them and then withdrawing the funds, you still earn those 12 free stocks. So I just want to make sure that I passed over that incentive. You earn 12, I earn 1, and it's an overall win-win. So Learn Plan Profit members, I will see you tomorrow at Market Open for our live trading. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.